Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of this amazing module. So in this video, I'll be telling you how you can generate images for your t-shirt business and also selling it on Etsy. So let's just say if you are an aspiring entrepreneur who is looking forward to start your own t-shirt business on Etsy, so you're in the right place. So yeah, in today's video, we'll take you through the exciting process of generating eye-catching t-shirt images that will help your products stand out and sell like hotcakes. So yeah, without further ado, let's just jump right into it. So before diving into the details, it's really important to first understand what Etsy is. So Etsy is basically an e-commerce platform that specializes in handmade, vintage, and unique factory manufactured items. So it basically provides a marketplace for independent artists, crafters, vintage collectors, and also small businesses to sell their handmade or vintage items as well as craft supplies and tools on that particular platform as well. So yeah, there are basically few steps to start your business on Etsy. So first of all, it's really important to understand your niche. So you should be aware of what kind of t-shirts are you planning to sell. Is it funny, inspirational, artistic, unique, some kind of AI animations, or any of that. So knowing your niche will actually guide your design to process and to sell it more and more efficiently. So next step is really important. You need to conceptualize your design. So let's brainstorm some design ideas. You can grab a pen and paper and jot down concepts, themes, and elements related to your niche. So this is really important as well. Then the third step is what exactly we'll be doing in this video. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. Alright, so here I am with my Discord open with Midjourney server on that as well. So first of all, I'm just going to type here imagine. And yeah, let's now create the design for my desired t-shirt. So let's just say I want to create a t-shirt with the design, of fantasy and mythology. So let's just say I want to create something fictional, maybe like dragons, unicorns, or, some kind of a magical landscape. So I want to be a little fictional for my design for my t-shirt, in order to attract people of small age, maybe like children and someone who is a fan of unicorns and dragons. So this design will attract them a lot and that will help me to sell my t-shirt more and more. So let's just now create that design from a t-shirt now. Let's just hit enter to see what happens. Alright, so here you can see it provided me with a very unique and cool design, if I can say, of dragons, unicorn, and some kind of a magical landscape. So that is looking really, really good in my opinion. So let's just say I'm okay with the second one. So I can just go ahead and say Midjourney to upscale the second image for me. Alright, so it did that first now, so now I can just save that. Now, this step is really important. Let me just show you how all this works and how you can basically sell them on Etsy. Alright, so here I am on the Etsy stores. As you guys can see, people are actually selling a lot of t-shirts with different prices. You can either create one or you can just be unique with your design and start selling those on this very cool and unique platform. If I can search t-shirt over here. So yeah, here you go. People are selling very unique and very cool looking t-shirts over here with different designs. So if you can be unique with your prompts, if you can be creative with your prompts, so you can just start producing as much creative and as much unique images on the t-shirts and you can start getting orders from here and doing that right away. So this is how basically it works. Okay, now what you can do is you can come to printify.com, which is basically, one of the most used websites to design your t-shirts. And also you can connect it to Etsy store and basically you can connect both of these platforms and design t-shirts on Printify and sell them on Etsy as per you want. So yeah, here we are on Printify.com. So first of all, you need to sign into Printify, which I'll do that right away. And yeah, after that, you can basically select any of the t-shirts from here, whatever design you're into. So I'm just going to go for the first design over here. And after that, you can just click on start designing. And now you can basically add custom text to your t-shirts. You can add image from Shutterstock, from Dropbox, from Google Drive, or whatever you want. And my device as well, which I'll be doing exactly in this video. So yeah, here is the front side and the back side of the t-shirt. You can do that to both. So now what we'll do is we'll basically import the same logo that we just downloaded from Midjourney and we'll add that to this t-shirt. We'll design that as per the requirement and after that you can upload it on Etsy store and start selling it right away. So yeah, let me just do that quickly. We'll come to the My Design, select that particular logo. All right, here you go. So we'll just enlarge that a bit more. We'll drag this a bit more. All right, and here we go. And we can do that the same for the back side as well. So let me do that again. All right, here we go. So here are the front and back side of our t-shirt that we want to print that similarly. And basically how you can change that as per you want. You can select any color, any design. If you want to add text, you can as well. And after that, you can simply say product, scroll down. And after adding few details, you can basically simply publish this to your Etsy store and it will be automatically published it over there on the Etsy store that you have connected with your Printify.com. So yeah, that's basically how simple this all is. So this is very kind of a very amazing and you can say a full platform in 2023. So people are very creative on that. So they are making designs for the t-shirt, they're uploading that over here and earning tons of money through this platform. So this is a really good start for you guys if you want to earn money and you can get help from Midjourney in this whole process and that will really help you to boost your business in no time. So yeah, that will be basically it for this video. I hope you guys liked it and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.